Hey there, this is my very first tenor cigar box ukulele that I built using an MGB Guitars ukulele tenor kit. And like I've mentioned on my baritone video, that you get the bridge, you get the neck, you get the nut, you get tuners, you get everything you need to do it. This one's kind of interesting to me because I bought two small boxes here locally, and they were an inch and a half wide a piece. And what I did is I removed the back of each one of them, which had a thin piece of veneer on there, and popped that off. And then I glued these boxes together, and I came up with this. So I have a thicker, more acoustically sounding box. I also included and put in some piezo pickups in here, so I will be playing that for you so you can hear how it sounds plugged in. And the neat thing about gluing this part is this is kind of cool. You just open this thing up and I can store my money in there, or all kinds of stuff if I wanted to. But anyway, you can see the piezos and also the nut, where the neck bolts on, because in their kit they're including a bolted on neck. So nice feature. And there's my box, and that's the way it went together. And this one is Oliva. So we will play it here in a second. Okay, here is what she's going to sound like unplugged, and then I will show it plugged in. So it has enough volume that you can play it, you can practice. I really like the necks that come with the MGB kit. They're very nice playing, and I've had no problems with any of them. So anyway, that is unplugged, and I will show you this thing plugged in and electrified here in a second. Okay, here it is plugged in. This is no effects, just straight amplification. Now with a little delay, just to show it takes pedals good. Then with a little bit of chorus, kind of the girly, swirly, we're in love sound, A little bit of reverb. Okay, I'm going to try to play my version of minor swing without laying down too many clams, and if it gets posted on YouTube, then it'll be ones that only probably you'll hear that I could never hear. So here we go. So there you have it. This is my tenor cigar box ukulele and MGB guitar kits. Highly recommend them. Great, great people to do business with, and extremely reasonably priced. So